An install video of the RainBird in-ground sprinkler with Click and Go Connect. The first thing you want to do is test your coverage and placement by installing the unit above ground. I created a small divot hole with an auger. This worked quite well, but I did find a need to support the water supply pipe and bracket in order to keep my heavy hose from moving the installation during the test. As you can see, the unit functioned well, and I was satisfied with the placement. The left and right sweep is adjusted by moving the stops, and the range is adjusted by moving the diffuser. Now it's time to remove the test and start digging the hole. They recommend 14 inches long, 9 inches deep. They don't specify a width, but I allowed my shovel to determine the width. This worked out well. I found you really only need the 9-inch depth on the sprinkler unit side. The water inlet pipe side requires something around 7 inches. I used a pickaxe because my soil is very clay and hard to dig. So now it's time to assemble the unit for installation. First thing you want to do is get the housing cover, which has a small bungee-like cord and a loop where you just put it through your water supply pipe. Then you screw your water supply pipe into the sprinkler housing, and then you add the what they call a housing assembly, which protects the hose connector area. No special tools needed for the assembly. It all snaps together. So now, after placement, it's time to backfill the hole, and I used a stick to determine the height of the unit so I could fill the dirt in where needed, after which I added the grass that I had taken out as a clump of sod, and that worked out quite well. Removing the housing cover and going to attach the hose as you would normally do for operation. Quite easy, no problem at all. The installation was simple. As you can see, it works well. I did adjust a little more from this, and it's working very well, and I like it. When the water is turned off, the sprinkler retracts back into the ground and hides nicely. Very neat. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.